Hello everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today it is an absolute pleasure to be joined by Paolo Torricella from EFI Reggiani. I know you're really busy show. We're here at Drupa, 8 years on. Textile now, a big part of the storyline. Could we have a little catch up, just 2-3 minutes on where Reggiani, EFI Reggiani are now in the textile space,
Sure.
the latest developments, the market shifts, and how you're addressing them and the benefits of your technology.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So today where the market is going is towards a greener and quicker solution.
Okay.
So there are companies investing in high-speed machines, and we develop the latest Voltexes. Also other companies willing to invest in a high-end scanning machine with the benefits of single pass and the volumes of a scanning machine.
Okay.
But also a lot of new companies coming up right after COVID, which went into printers before. So what do? Is start from the base material, which can be cotton, which can be blends, polyester as well, and they want that material to be decorated with an all-in-one solution.
Yes.
So no body treatment, no steaming, no washing, no after process afterwards. So that's why we introduced Ecoterra. Ecoterra is a pigment-based, water-based machine where the customer can load the untreated fabric,
Yeah.
print it, cure it in the dryer, and apply any line finishing at the same cost of basically conventional printing.
And that's so important because in the wider scale of textiles, people want to treat fabrics differently. So you might take a fabric with a low GSM,
Absolutely.
but you're actually going to add things to it in the line in traditional textiles. You're now enabling that because you might want a softer handle. For example, if it's going to be for fashion, you might take a lower GSM fabric, but you want it to be lovely and soft. You want it to drape.
Yeah.
But if you're moving into interiors,
Something like this, for example.
exactly. But for interiors where you're draping for a curtain, you don't want it to be soft. You want it to have drape. You want it to hold its shape.
Exactly, or maybe water repellent for certain application.
Yeah, and antiviral as well, of course,
Oh, yeah,
post COVID. Yeah, so much going on, and I guess moving forward, I don't think we're there yet, but we need to get to environmentally good, fire retardant finishes as well, so that we can add that in. We can't quite do that, I don't believe, at the moment, but all of those things are so important.
The hardware that the machine has
Yes.
allow you.
Yes.
So there are two devices. One is a water saving and recirculation system.
Yes.
So that's very important
Yeah.
in today's market.
Yeah, so it's cleaning the blanket, it's recirculating that water and using all over again.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
using something like 15 liters a day, which is
Wow.
what you use to wash your face in the morning.
Wow, if you compare that to screen printing,
Oh,
oh my God, buckets and buckets and buckets and buckets.
yeah.
Just pumping
Probably
through the system.
20,000 liters a day
Yes.
versus 15. So
50.
0.1%, less than that.
But the other side of that as well are the benefits of where these machines can sit.
Can see basically
can see-
everywhere.
Yes, because there's no environmental issue.
True.
There's
They
nothing
can
going
sit
down
in a
into
studio,
waste.
for example.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And I know you've done a lot of work on the Ecoterra inks as well, so you have a really wide gamut, don't you?
Yeah, we do. We do have 8 channels, actually up to 12,
Yeah.
with the latest introduction of a new
Yeah.
machine called Extra.
Yeah.
You can use it with 2x6 or 7 colors with double black.
Yeah.
And the advantage is, as you said before, you can do fashion with a 1.8 meter wide machine, or home furnishing with a 2.4 or a 3.4 meter wide
Yeah,
machine.
yeah,
So
absolutely.
limitless.
Yeah, and allows, I guess, as well, people to switch between markets. So you see a lot of convergence from the signage industry moving where in dye sublimation land, people moving into hospitality fabrics, printing on Traveras and fire retardant fabrics and things like that too. But there's a huge move towards cellulose fabrics, recycled fabrics, and
True.
fabrics we haven't even heard of yet, to be frank.
Yeah, true.
That we are going to have to print on, and there is no doubt that pigment again has to be the number one solution for that because you're printing on top.
Yeah, exactly. So you actually minimize the usage of chemicals,
Yes.
but also maximize the possibility for the end users.
Yeah. The commercial opportunities
Yeah.
for a print house that houses this state-of-the-art machinery. really.
And not just conventional application like fashion or home.
Yeah.
We have customers all over the world, and some of them are in North America, some in Italy. They do custom jobs. For example, they do bags.
Yes.
They do umbrella, so
Yeah.
fabrics that has to stay outdoor for a certain amount of time, where current technologies do not allow certain light freshness. And this is where Ecoterra fits.
It's totally tailor-made, isn't it, for the moment of input, output, exactly to the requirements of the textile converter, whoever they are, and the market sectors that they can then expand into. The world of opportunity is so exciting right now.
It's huge.
It is, it's brilliant. Kindred spirit, it's been absolutely wonderful to meet you. I look forward
Likewise.
to lots of further conversations
Can't
together.
wait.
Yeah, you are addicted to the print industry, most
Definitely.
definitely. Yeah. Thank you, Paolo, and thank you to everybody
you.
for tuning
Thanks,
in.
everyone.
Thank you very much.